Tape measure hack right here. I want to cut this board into 3 equal parts. Normally, this is a very hard equation, especially for us contractors. So the pro version, find a number that's divisible by 3 that we all know. That might be hard for some of us. But this one is every 4 inches. So we mark it here, pull a little wing on it, hold your tape, draw your line right there, put your pencil on it. Boom. Done. That's how the pros do it.